Hello friends! Today, AZ Technology and you explore the new technology process that smartphone manufacturers like Apple, Samsung use AI and robot technology to produce and assemble phones at their factories. Ever wonder how those sleek smartphones get made? It's a fascinating world of cutting-edge technology, and AI is playing a starring role. We're talking robots with brains, folks. Gone are the days of simple assembly lines. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming phone manufacturing, making it faster, more precise, and super efficient. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of AI-powered phone production. Imagine a factory floor buzzing with activity, but instead of humans doing all the work, it's an army of robots. These aren't your ordinary machines, they're powered by artificial intelligence. That's right, we're talking about robots that can learn, adapt, and perform tasks with incredible accuracy. From assembling delicate components to testing finished products, AI-powered robots are revolutionizing how our favorite devices are made. And the best part? This is just the beginning. So, how does this magical partnership work? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI and robotics. It's all about combining the brawn of robotics with the brains of AI. Robotics provides the physical strength and precision, while AI brings intelligence and decision-making capabilities. Imagine a robotic arm with the strength and precision to handle tiny components. This arm can work tirelessly, performing tasks that require extreme accuracy. Now give that arm a brain powered by AI algorithms. These algorithms enable the robot to analyze data, make decisions, and even predict future actions. The result? A machine that can not only perform repetitive tasks with incredible accuracy, but also learn from its mistakes and adapt to new situations. This adaptability is key to improving efficiency and reducing errors. It's like having a team of superpowered, highly skilled workers who never get tired. These robots can work around the clock, ensuring that production lines run smoothly and efficiently, without the need for breaks or rest. Precision is key, the AI advantage. When it comes to building something as complex as a smartphone, precision is everything. Every tiny component must be placed with absolute accuracy to ensure the device functions correctly. A misplaced component or a tiny error can mean the difference between a working device and a dud. Even the smallest mistake can lead to significant issues affecting the overall performance and reliability of the smartphone. That's where AI comes in, bringing its A-game to the table. AI technology enhances the manufacturing process by providing unparalleled precision and efficiency. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring that every component is placed perfectly. This real-time analysis helps in identifying and correcting errors instantly, maintaining the integrity of the assembly process. Every connection is soldered flawlessly, thanks to the meticulous attention to detail provided by AI systems. These systems ensure that each solder joint is perfect, preventing potential failures, and every phone meets the highest quality standards. AI-driven quality control processes ensure that each device is thoroughly inspected and meets stringent criteria before it reaches the consumer. It's like having a million tiny inspectors working around the clock. These AI-powered inspectors tirelessly monitor every aspect of the production line, ensuring that each smartphone is built to perfection. Efficiency boost, AI to the rescue. Time is money, especially in the fast-paced world of technology. AI-powered robots are not only incredibly precise but also lightning fast. They can work tirelessly 24/7, churning out smartphones at an unprecedented rate without ever needing a coffee break. This increased efficiency means lower production costs, faster turnaround times, and ultimately, more affordable smartphones for you and me. It's a win-win situation for everyone. What's next? The future of smart manufacturing is an exciting frontier that promises to revolutionize the way we produce goods. The integration of AI and robotics in phone manufacturing is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are limitless. Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks, but also learn and adapt in real time. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even smarter robots, more efficient processes, and even more innovative devices. These advancements will lead to higher quality products, faster production times, and reduced costs. So the next time you hold that sleek smartphone in your hand, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology behind it. Each component, each feature, is a result of cutting-edge manufacturing techniques and relentless innovation. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. Engineers and scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries, finding new ways to integrate AI into manufacturing processes. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's looking bright. With continuous advancements and a commitment to innovation, we are on the brink of a new era in production. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless.